अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Hey guys, welcome to day 8 and I have got champion Chandni again today. Alright, you remember she didn't stop. The last video when she did it with me, she didn't stop at all. She waited at 100. Okay, so I like this. Let's see if she can, continue her winning streak. I'll give you some difficult move. You are a champ, okay? So I'm going to give you some difficult move. Don't worry, you all are also champions. We will get there. You go slow and controlled. There is no compulsion. You don't have to compete with Chandni. You compete with yourself. Alright, so let's start. Today what we're going to do is low plank leg lifts. Alright, so let me show you the move today. You have to go into the low plank. Alright, head to toe straight line and then lift your leg slowly up. Hold it up for a few seconds. Or you can hold it up for half a second and then go on to the next leg. I'll correct your form if you are dropping your form and I'll ask you to write that thing down on the board. Alright, keep breathing. Remember, don't hold your breath. Alright, she's doing awesome. Let me just check. I think get your butt down a little bit and keep the straight line. Make sure you keep the straight line from head to toe. Alright? And this is awesome. This is a very good move. You're just squeezing your butt. Your glutes are working. Take a break if you need it, but you can push yourself. Come on, push, 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 push. Come on, come on. Oh, she's taking a break at 35. Champions can also take a break. Alright, it's not about the time or it's not about the repetitions. You're not competing with anybody, you're just competing with yourself. Alright, get back. Champion, we have to reach 100. This is 100 up challenge. Remember, push. She's starting from the, where she left. You break the task down into different break. No, don't take a longer break. Go down, go write that 50 on the board and quickly come back and oh wow, she's writing 15. Alright, that means again this is maths for me. Alright, so see, she is doing 35 plus 15 is 50. Again, I just correct the form a little bit. Awesome. This is a fantastic move for abs, for your butt, for your arms. Everything is working and mostly these all abs exercises are real good exercises for core. The core is really strong. That's the foundation. You have to do these moves and make your foundation really strong. Alright, this is again a 50. She is at 65. Alright, come on Chandni. Get your butt down a little bit. Yeah, awesome. Keep going. Little bit ahead. Awesome. Push. Awesome. Come on. Go write it down. Remember, these scores are your next targets. Remember. She's breaking it down very nicely. Come on, push, Chandni. Let's do this without a break. Come on, let's reach 100 together. People take breaks on 90s, but I feel you have to reach 100 soon. Awesome! She is done at 100. Go write it down. 100 done. Awesome, Chandni. I really love this. Awesome. People are, this is what I love about people in fitness. Once you decide you can do it, it's all in your mind and you can get there. I will see you tomorrow with the next move in 100 Apps Challenge. See you soon. Hey guys, अगर आपको आज का चैलेंज पसंद आया हो और अगर आपने ये चैलेंज किया है तो हमें कमेंट में लिख के बताएं कि आपने कब कब ब्रेक लिया है या आपने क्या प्रोग्रेस की है, वो हमारे साथ शेयर करें।